We start with the machine on, it will flow into the apparatus where we have different pipes with different valves. We close all but one valve to flow through the pipe that we want. This pipe right here is the 26.5 millimeter pipe. And it will flow through here. We have sensors 1 meter apart at point 1 and point 2. Readings on them will give us the head loss, which is right on the computer. The flow rate we measure from here. So all we do, we get our first reading of our head loss and our flow rate, and then we change the flow rate using this knob here. And we'll do that, we'll throttle the flow rate 5 times and get 5 readings. And then afterwards, all we do is we switch on this valve to allow the flow through here, through this pipe, and we get readings at point 1 and point 2. This pipe is a 16.5 millimeter pipe, and the length difference is also 1 meter. And then you just do the same thing. You throttle the flow rate, and then we use these to measure the flow rate, or the head loss. And we do that 5 times. And afterwards, you calculate, you do your calculations and compare. So here's an example. Turn the flow rate up, down, which will be red, and then all you do is change. Change the height. They have the water fill up to here, which will change when you change the velocity. And you read that, it gives a reading on the computer.
And so this reading right here, the 64 millimeters, is P1 minus P2 over gamma. Also your head loss.
And you just do that 5 times. And so what we'll do now is we'll switch it from the 26.5 millimeter to the 16.5 millimeter. Make sure everything's open. We'll simultaneously open the 16.5 millimeter and close the 26.5. And then move the pressure sensors to each one. This will change our head loss reading. You can see.
So we're going to get the velocity at the nozzle. And we know what that is, right? Nozzle area. So I'm going to have an equation that I got from Bernoulli.
The pressure differences are read on the computer again, and it gives us the head loss reading.
Show the flow rate.
The flow rate here is red. Right there.
Remember what that age is?
That's it.
That's the height you guys